I've changed my body from this to this. And currently, I run a split called hybrid training. First is, nag-lift ako ng weights 4 times a week and nagra-run ako ng program na tinatawag na anterior plus posterior. Basically dito, I train front and back muscles. And also on my split, I run short and long distances. Zone 2 cardio to lose that extra calories so I can still eat the foods that I want, and that's how I take care of my body. But I also make sure na I can take care of my skin too. So bago ako lumabas and do these workouts, I make sure na I use a sunscreen and I follow with this Pond's Ultra Biome Gel. This protects my skin and keeps it fresh. Kahit na active yung lifestyle ko, working out almost every day, can still have a protected and fresh skin because of this Pond's Ultra Biome Gel. And then when I get home from a workout, part pa rin to ng skincare routine ko. So kahit na active yung routine ko, my skin stays fresh, healthy, and glowing. If you want to protect and keep your skin fresh, healthy, and glowing kahit na active yung lifestyle mo, just use Pond's Ultra Biome Gel. Try it now.
Comment down below your workout and skincare routine.